Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can link your Twitter account to your Roblox profile so that you create an icon on your profile which your friends and family can see when visiting your Roblox account that will link to your Twitter. Now, first step, of course, open up your preferred browser. And from there, go to roblox.com. Now you sign in to your Roblox profile, and as you can see right here, I've already created a clickable link on my Roblox account, which hovers to Roblox official. But you can actually create it with your own Twitter account. Now, the first step you want to take is go to the top right corner and open up the cogwheel. Now from there you go down to the settings, and inside these settings you see your account information. Now from there you scroll all the way down until you find the social networks right here. Now the second option, we see the Twitter option. Now make sure to add the account with an ad to the account that you would like. Now I made it to the Roblox, but you can ever choose every Twitter account you would like. You can choose your own or someone else's. Now from there, make sure that this is visible to everyone or to friends and people who follow you, because they can actually see and click the link. Now from there you save it, and once you've saved it, you can go to your profile right here and see that you've just added the Twitter. Now, as you can see, it's very easy. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.